Assalamu alaikum viewers. Subha Bakhair. Today I will show you how you can create a text effect with flowers or any pattern and make your text amazing. Click over there. Click on videos. Select the dimension. I have selected this rose. Make it a little bit smaller like this. Go to apps. Right here text art maker. You have to search text art maker. Right here your text. You can write any text. I have wrote this text, and you can increase the density light. Here is a maximum size and minimum size, and you can choose file from your desktop or laptop, or you can use your selected image. I have select this image and I will use this image. Here is the result, and you can uh, reduce the density like this, and you can increase the density. Up to this I have to set the density 0.8. It is looking better rather than 1. Add to design. Here is the final result. In the similar way, you can give any pattern to your text, any floral design, anything you want to enter in your text. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, share my videos, and like my videos. If you want to learn anything specific in Canva, comment on my video. Allah Hafiz till my next video.